Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to search a photo on Google. So for this, you have to go in this uh, Google app, then go for in this camera option. Okay, now you have to uh, select your photo from your gallery, and you can see Google give you some results by your photo. Now you can download it from here or you can do whatever you want. So this is how you can search a photo on Google. Hope this video helped to you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.